Okay, so you're at a really bad angle, but I wanted to show you guys how I crimp my hair with this fancy crimper tool. It's the digital curling iron from Amazon. I see this all over TikTok, so I got it and I like it, so I wanted to show you guys how to use it, because when people use it on TikTok, that's the main question that I see people commenting is, how do you use it? How do you use it? And by the way, if you're not on TikTok, or you don't follow me on TikTok, if you're on TikTok, follow me. I will put my name right here, and you better go follow it. But anyway, I just brushed my mane of a hair. It's still kind of wet, so I don't know if it's gonna work, but we shall see. But I'm going to part it. I'm gonna take some of it up, like that much. You're not on a tripod today. There's just not enough room. Okay. So I'm going to brush this out. Okay. So what I do from here is, it's kind of a small section, so I'm just gonna section it in half. And I'm gonna take the first, and I'm just going to do this. And I'm gonna hold it there for maybe 20 seconds. Then I'm gonna move it down. Yes, I have acne, I have PCOS, and I wear a mask like 5 days a week, so. Then I'm going to move it down. I always put this bar or iron in this indent. Does that make any sense? Like, do you see how the last crimp is at the bottom? I'm going to put the top one in there just so it has an even flow. Like that. And then if there's a lot at the bottom, I just put a little bit in there just so it's not crazy. Okay. Then I'm going to throw this in the back. Get this section. Since the iron is so wide, you can do bigger sections, which is nice. Like, I wouldn't be able to fit this in a curling iron. See if there's that much left. I'm gonna stick that in there too. Like that. Okay, so then cute. I'm gonna grab this side and I'm gonna split it in half. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm gonna take out my pony. Ouch! Okay, so I usually part on the side. You guys know where I part. So I'm going to part it how I usually part it. And I'm gonna stick this in a pony. Get the dot of the way. Ouch! I'm gonna look at this mess. I just brushed my hair. Okay, I'm gonna part this again. Do a little bit more than that. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put this in another pony. A lot of sectioning involved, but I have a lot of hair, so. And you don't need to leave it sit on there as long if it's a thinner section of hair. See? Now I'm gonna do the rest. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna take a mirror and look at it from the back. Just because I don't like how my hair lays like that. So I'm going to grab this right here. No, you may not. Grab my comb. I'm gonna clamp that together. Like that. Perfect. Okay. And this is the finished look. This is how it turned out. You should put a heat protectant in, but I don't have any anymore, so I did not. But I rarely ever put heat on my hair, so I'm okay. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram and all of the socials. I'm very active on TikTok, so I would follow me over there, and I will see you guys on the next one. I'm going to actually go film a Shein try on haul right now, so you'll see me look like this over there. But yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.